YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I will be washing my hair and you guys will be joining me while I wash this hair. It's so dry. I had cornrows in it and everything, so I'm gonna go wash it and you guys can keep in touch. Alright, so right here I am just saturating my hair with the water before I go in to add the shampoo. So right now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo. I love this shampoo. It's one of my faves. It does not leave your hair feeling like you ever shampoo your hair and it feels super dry. This shampoo, it feels like almost like a conditioning type of shampoo. Like it leaves your hair soft. You could detangle with this shampoo and everything. And it's one of my faves. So that's what I'm shampooing my hair with. And I will be shampooing 2 times because I've had my hair in cornrows, under a wig, you know, ladies. So I have to clean it, you know, get up in there. So I'm going in, rinsing my hair from the first wash, and then I'm going to go in and shampoo again, and then I'm going to condition. I missed you guys. It's been a while since I've posted, but I will be posting more frequently, so stay tuned and subscribe and share my video because there will be more videos to come. And I'm excited for this journey with you guys. Welcome, welcome. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I will respond. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn your post notifications on so you know when I post a new video. So now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Conditioner. They did not have the conditioner in the store for the shampoo, but so that's why I bought this one. But this one works just as good. It's really thick, as you can see. So right now what I'm doing, I always apply product to the crown middle part of my head first because it is the driest part of my hair. So as you can see how I'm moving my hands, I'm literally like separating and detangling my hair as I apply the product. And it just helps me with, you know, when it comes time to detangle with the comb. So like I'm just separating the hair, you know, getting those kinks out. Kind of like a finger detangling, except you applying product and detangling at the same time. Y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to go in with my comb and detangle the rest of my hair. And like I said, the crown and middle part of my hair is the driest part of my hair. So I always apply product to that area first. So it's like really moisturized and hydrated there because I noticed that's the driest part of my hair. And I want to keep that moisturized. So even when after my shampoo, that is what I do. Like, and when it comes to my leave-in conditioner, my castor oil, I always apply product to the center first, and then I apply it to the rest of the hair as well. All right, time to detangle. I'm going in with my wide tooth comb and detangling my hair. Y'all know how this process goes. So I detangled one side on camera, and then the other side I did not detangle on camera. But you guys will see as you guys watch. So this is what my hair looks like. Bye, guys.